Welcome to the podcast today as we continue studying the topic of orbs and the use of AI as a research tool in trying to understand orbs. And one of the things that you need to keep in mind about AI, are many. For example, you might wonder if it's giving you an accurate answer or a true answer, or is it misleading you or lying to you? And you can ask AI, you can ask Orb, or you can ask ChatGPT or Grok, do you lie, or will you lie to me? And you'll get a good response on how AI is programmed not to do that. And you can test it by the questions you ask. For example, one thing I did to test as I was learning about AI is I drew a rather detailed image of a person's face. And it was a very good image. And I uploaded it to Grok and I said, would you give a critique or analyze this picture that I've drawn and tell me what you think about it? And it came back with some very detailed explanations about how well the picture was drawn, what it portrayed, and so it gave a reasonable critique of the image. Then I just scribbled some lines around and around, back and forth, and I uploaded that to Grok as well, and I said, would you critique this drawing? And it gave a critique of it as squiggly lines randomly drawn. So it doesn't placate to give you the answers you want. And you can test it time and again by comparing either questions that you ask or comparing pictures that you upload and see how it critiques those contrasting images. And that will help you understand that AI does have the ability to give clear, fair, reasonable, accurate answers. And so that's important to understand. Another thing, you can ask AI, will you lie to me? And it'll explain to you why it can't or why it doesn't lie to you, and it'll go into detail about what it can do for you. It can help you create a fantasy world of story that has fantasy in it, but it's not going to lie to you based on the way it's programmed. So that's some of the things you need to keep in mind, and it'll help ease your anxiousness about using AI and wondering if you're being misled or if you're getting false information.